If your Wi-Fi is not showing in the settings on Windows 10, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. 1. Check airplane mode. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Airplane Mode. Ensure that airplane mode is turned off. 2. Enable Wi-Fi. Press Windows key A to open the Action Center. Check if Wi-Fi is disabled and turn it on if needed. 3. Restart your computer. Sometimes, a simple reboot can fix Wi-Fi connectivity issues. Hub 4. Update network drivers. Press Windows X and select Device Manager. Expand network adapters and find your Wi-Fi adapter, usually named something like Intel Wireless or Realtek Wireless. Right-click and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for updated driver software and follow the prompts. 5. Uninstall and reinstall network driver. Open Device Manager. Press Windows X and select Device Manager. Expand network adapters and locate your Wi-Fi driver. Right-click the driver and choose Uninstall. Make sure to check the box that says Delete the driver software for this device. Restart your computer and Windows will automatically reinstall the driver. Nurse 6. Check Wi-Fi service. Press Windows R to open the Run dialog box. Type services.msc and press Enter. Scroll down to WLAN AutoConfig. Right-click it, choose Properties, and ensure the startup type is set to Automatic. Then press Start if the service is not running. Tab 7. Enable Wi-Fi adapter in network connections. Go to Control Panel, Network, and Sharing Center, change adapter settings. Right-click your Wi-Fi connection and choose Enable if it's disabled. 8. Check for Windows updates. Sometimes missing updates can cause issues with network connectivity. Go to Settings, Update and Security, Windows Update. Check for any available updates and install them. 9. Run Network Troubleshooter. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Status. Scroll down and click Network Troubleshooter and follow the on-screen instructions. Chapter 10. Reset Network Settings. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Status. Scroll down and click Network Reset. This will remove and reinstall all network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. Restart your PC. 11. Check for hardware issues. If none of the above works, the issue might be hardware related. Consider checking if your Wi-Fi card is properly installed or needs replacement. By following these steps, you should be able to restore your Wi-Fi settings in Windows 10.